Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss certain concepts of poetry with you. These are terms which we will be using again and again throughout the year. So let us get them clear at the very beginning. The first term is verse. Poetry as a whole is referred to as verse. Also, a unit of a poem is also called verse. पद्य को भी वर्स कहते हैं और पोइट्री के छंद को भी वर्स कहते हैं. The next word is stanza. Any set of lines from a poem is called a stanza. These can be 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 6 or maybe 8 lines. So, any set of lines together is called a stanza, which means that poem की कोई भी पंक्तियाँ स्टैंजा कहलाती हैं. It is often used interchangeably with the word verse. That means स्टैंजा और verse को कभी कभी आपस में बदल के भी यूज़ कर दिया जाता है इन शब्दों को. वर्स की जगह भी स्टैंजा शब्द तब यूज़ होता है जब उसका मतलब कविता का छंद हो. जिस तरह प्रोज यानी गद्य में पैराग्राफ होते हैं, उसी तरह पोइट्री में स्टैंजा या वर्स होते हैं. The next concept is rhyme scheme. Now that we have read the poem The Man He Killed, let us discuss its rhyme scheme. Rhyme का मतलब है तुकबंदी. To study rhyme scheme, we pay attention to the last word of each line of the poem. In this stanza, from The Man He Killed, we have the last words are met, in, wet, nipperkin. We see that met rhymes with wet and in with nipperkin. Therefore, हम met जो हमारी पहली साउंड है उसको हम ए नाम दे देते हैं. दूसरी लाइन के एंड में हमारा शब्द है इन. इस साउंड को हम बी नाम दे देते हैं. फिर पहली साउंड रिपीट हो रही है इसलिए ए. फिर दूसरी रिपीट हो रही है इसलिए फिर बी. If these sounds get repeated in next verses or stanzas, then we will write A and B. Otherwise, if we have new sounds, we will name them C, D, E, F, G and so on. In this poem, The Man He Killed, the rhyme scheme is A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D, E, F, E, F and so on. The next concept that I want to discuss today is reference to the context. This is like Saprasang Vyakhya. First of all, we write the lines or stanza given for reference to the context within inverted commas because these are words directly copied from the text. Next, we describe the context of these lines, from where they have been taken, who has written them. हिंदी में इसे प्रसंग कहते हैं. Then in 1 or 2 lines we describe the main idea of the poem or the given stanza. For example, I have here the reference to the context of the first stanza of The Man He Killed. This stanza has been taken from the poem The Man He Killed, composed by Thomas Hardy. It is a pacifist poem in which the poet brings out the senselessness and insanity of war. There are a few important things which need to be noted here. Firstly, the title of the poem is always written in inverted commas. Then, the first letter of each important word of the title begins with a capital letter. For example, here we have the is the first word in the title, therefore it starts with a capital letter. Man and killed are important words in the title, therefore they are written with capital letters. Usually we do not write articles, prepositions and pronouns in capital letters, but the word he is very important in the poem, therefore he is also, it begins with a capital H. Then another thing to note is that the name of the poet is not written in inverted commas. So after writing the reference to the context, we write the explanation, which is also called Vyakhya. So yeah, in explanation we have to explain these lines, who has spoken them, why has he said this, to whom has he said this, and what is their meaning. And the last entry, which is critical comments, this is optional. If you feel that there is something important in the stanza which needs special mention, it is mentioned in critical comments. If there is some poetic device, like in this particular stanza, we can always write the rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of this stanza is A, B, A, B. This reference to the context is very important from the examination point of view. This is usually the first question in your question paper. And either you are given to explain with reference to the context, या फिर एक दूसरे तरह से भी आपका ये पहला क्वेश्चन पेपर में होता है. I have with me here a question paper from the past, and in which this is the question: read the given lines and answer the questions in 1 to 3 lines. And then we have a stanza from the poem The Man He Killed. Important to notice that this is not one verse from the poem, but we have 2 verses combined, therefore we call it a stanza. And then we have 5 questions. So here we do not have to write the reference to the context. Here we directly have to solve the questions that have been given to us. Who, for example, the first question is, who are referred to as he and I in this passage, and so on. Okay, with this I come to the end of this particular video. Thank you.